Welcome inside one of the world's most exclusive hypercar factories, where multi-million-dollar machines are engineered from raw materials into rolling masterpieces. Every hypercar begins its journey with aerospace-grade metals and ultra-light carbon fiber materials. Each material is inspected for microscopic imperfections before production begins. High-strength carbon fiber is woven into precise structural layers for maximum performance. Dozens of layers are carefully arranged to achieve exceptional strength and lightness. The heart of the hypercar, the carbon monocoque chassis, is shaped using advanced molds. The chassis is baked under extreme pressure and temperature to achieve aerospace-level rigidity. Precision CNC machining creates suspension and structural components within micron tolerances. The hypercar's powerful engine begins as molten alloy poured into precision casting molds. Master engineers hand-assemble each engine to ensure flawless performance. Twin turbo systems are installed to deliver breathtaking acceleration. Every curve is refined through aerodynamic testing to achieve perfect airflow balance. Luxury interiors begin with lightweight structural frames designed for precision fit. Hand-stitched interiors combine luxury craftsmanship with advanced ergonomic design. Select hypercars feature genuine 24-karat gold-plated elements crafted through advanced electroplating. These gold accents transform engineering excellence into rolling luxury art. Multiple paint layers create a flawless mirror-like surface finish. Thousands of components unite in the final assembly stage. Advanced suspension technology ensures both track dominance and road comfort. Sculpted carbon panels are shaped to reduce drag and enhance aerodynamic efficiency.
Connecting the main power harness.
Confirmed. Running the calibration sequence. Sensors aligned. Initiating AI protocol. All systems green. Each vehicle undergoes intense performance testing to guarantee extreme power delivery. Laser inspection ensures millimeter-perfect build quality. The final detailing stage prepares the hypercar for delivery.
From raw metal to a multi-million-dollar masterpiece, this is how the world's most exclusive hypercars are born.